What do you want me to do? Like,
right now.
Well, just
It just doesn't make me sneeze. It doesn't even make me feel like
have
sneezing.
like 4 grams of it.
Should I just...
You're counting it like cocaine or something.
No, like little, sorry, not grams, but like the
That feels like it might make me sneeze.
Here.
You have 4 grams.
Give me more. That's fine, that's fine, that's fine. I just don't feel like sneezing after that. I don't know what it is.
You need more. Need a big mound of it.
Wait.
Jam your head into it.
Look up.
Callum, are you filming on Snapchat or are you filming on video?
Video.
Because you're gonna get it.
This is permanent.
You can save the Snapchat. No
It's coming, it's coming. I can feel it coming.
You need more pepper.
Look up when you need to sneeze.
Oh my god, you did it.
Hold on, that wasn't it. That wasn't it.
I don't know if it sneezes.
It didn't count. It was there and then it didn't.
It's intense.
If it waits this long, usually it goes away. Are you allergic to anything? Yeah.
No, not that I know of.
Tanner, I'm telling you, if you look up.
Oh, gross. Okay. Ew. Why you gotta look directly at me?